Hello. On behalf of Charlie, Jamie, and Tom, and in favor of liability, it can be argued that Marie is responsible for the damages because for a couple of reasons. Because she served them the alcohol, she purchased it, she allowed them to leave her home intoxicated. It even says in the story that she knew that who was it? That Charlie was a renowned party animal, that she was enjoying their behavior, so it clearly seems like she knew that they were intoxicated. And based on the Manaus v. Hansberger and Jordan House previous case, where the hotel was held partly liable, I mean, this would be pretty much the same situation. So the hotel was serving the alcohol. They allowed the intoxicated patron to leave, and that patron was injured, and the hotel was held accountable for that. And so it seems like a no-brainer that that in this case, Marie would be like the hotel. She was the homeowner. She served alcohol and she let her patrons or friends leave, knowing that they had been drinking, and therefore she will be at least partly responsible for the damages. So, thank you.